Hi everyone. Today we're covering a very large comprehensive guide on installing Enterprise One on Linux. We cover installing the deployment server, the database, the platform pack, the installation plan, the server manager, the web client, and the FAT client. The setup configuration shows the deployment server will be on Windows 2016, the database enterprise server and the application server will be on Linux 7.3, and the development client will be on Windows 10. These are the high-level steps involved in the installation, and each of these steps are expanded to a high level of detail to make your install very easy. We'll do the deployment server first. It's used to install or upgrade the enterprise server, install ESUs, and to build the deployment packages. The deployment server must be installed on Windows, and you can only log into the JDE plan and DEP environments from the deployment server. Next, we do the database server installation. This is where your E1 related data resides, which means your object library, central object, system, server map, version, data dictionary, and control tables. The database server is being installed on a Linux server. These are the high-level database server installation steps, which are broken down to minute detail deeper in the guide. For example, with Linux, you have to do the xmin configuration. All these extra items pertinent to Linux are covered in this guide. Next, we cover the platform pack, which installs the E1 server code and E1 database files into the enterprise server and database server. These are the high-level steps, and once again, these steps are laid out in great detail further down in the guide. So now we have a deployment server, a database server, and a platform pack completed. Next, we do the installation plan, which we run from the deployment server and which lays out the architecture. These are the high-level steps to do the plan successfully. At this point, we have multiple servers to manage, and this is where E1 Server Manager becomes an essential piece. Server Manager is a central location to manage all your servers, and we also need it to do any tools release upgrades. Again, these are the high-level steps, and the detail is provided further down in the guide. Now that Server Manager console is installed, we can upgrade our tools release to the latest and greatest. You can download the latest tools release from the Upgrade Center. These are the high-level steps required to do a successful tools release. Next, we need to do a package build and deployment. These are the high-level steps and details are included also. The package build will confirm that all the servers are communicating properly, that all business functions and E1 codes are working properly. Finally, we arrive at the web client, which we're going to install on Oracle WebLogic Server 12.2.1.2.0. This is necessary for the web clients to be accessed from a browser through the application server. Full instructions on how to install this are provided. Next, the developers will need a development client, and these are the high-level steps to install it. Again, full step-by-step instructions with every decision and every mouse click is laid out for you. This guide also provides instructions on how to customize your JDE. As just one example, let's say you want different colors for different environments. This guide will show you how. Lots of other customizations are possible. This was a very quick, very high-level overview of the 9.2 install on Linux Oracle guide. It can be used to install on cloud or an on-site machine. The guide is packed with everything you will need to do a successful install on Linux. The guide comes with 3 free service calls of up to 1 hour each, just in case you run into any issues. The free service calls alone are a $300 value. The guide sells for $4.99 USD and will pay for itself many times over just in the time it will save you. To get access to this guide on OneNote, you can leave a request in the comments section of this video or send an email to info@restfulclouds.com. That's all for now. Bye-bye.